Uyabona guys, uyabona guys, uyabona we must forget it, forget it nje, remove it from our vision boards, remove it from our dreams. Heaven, heaven, we must just forget. We must just forget. We must forget about ukubona izulu. Tell me why Ufix now went and found a video of ingane eshaya isgubhu. We must forget, guys. Asikhohlwe nje ukuthi ezulwini siyobe singene. Uyabona, mhlambe other people will be standing there by the door wanting to see if they are on the list. See, now we must forget. We must forget, guys. So they found guys, listen, MaKhumalo must cut. Okay, I've been saying this. MaKhumalo must cut the conversation of how everybody came Kamseluk, because nobody talks about the sequence of how people came Kamseluk. Nobody talks about it. Okay, but the person that has a lot to hide and has a lot of shady things that happened when she was coming in is the person that wants everybody to have this conversation. She must just cut it, you guys. Cut. Okay? We don't want to find out anymore. Okay? Isgubhu is enough, guys. What is next? Okay? What is next? So, listen. Okay? Anybody that knows MaKhumalo, please tell her to cut, okay? We found out enough. Tell her she is number 2. We accept because she's number 2. She came before Mayini. Now she must cut because, no, we want to go to heaven. And the way the things are going, we are not going to go to heaven. Yeah. Hi, the internet. Hi, guys. Good night.